Today we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Dreame X50 Ultra and the Roborock Saros Z70. The Dreame X50 Ultra brings a powerful 12,000 pascal suction power, advanced Pathfinder technology for navigation, and an upgraded mop extend system for deeper cleaning. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 introduces its game-changing OmniGrip robotic arm, Starsight 2.0 navigation, and a high-temperature mop washing dock. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robotic vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting with design and build quality, both vacuums exhibit a sleek, modern look that seamlessly blends into most home environments. The Dreame X50 Ultra features a robust, rounded design with a glossy finish, while the Roborock Saros Z70 opts for a more industrial approach with an integrated robotic arm. One notable difference is their height. The Saros Z70 maintains a relatively low profile despite the inclusion of the OmniGrip arm, ensuring it can navigate under furniture. On the other hand, the X50 Ultra's traditional design might make it slightly better suited for standard vacuuming tasks without additional mechanical complexity. The build quality on both models is premium, with high-grade plastics and durable brush mechanisms. But Roborock's addition of a foldable robotic arm introduces potential concerns regarding wear and tear over time, making the Dreame X50 Ultra the more straightforward and possibly more reliable option in terms of long-term durability. When it comes to navigation and obstacle avoidance, both vacuums boast highly advanced technologies, but they go about it differently. The Dreame X50 Ultra utilizes its upgraded Pathfinder technology, which leverages AI-driven LiDAR to map out rooms with precision and avoid obstacles efficiently. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 takes navigation to another level with its Starsight 2.0 system, featuring 3D time-of-flight technology that processes over 21,600 data points at a staggering 38,400 Hz for superior spatial awareness. Additionally, Roborock's Vertibeam technology enhances edge cleaning, ensuring the vacuum gets closer to walls and furniture without collisions. Both vacuums are impressive in their ability to maneuver through complex environments, but if precise mapping and adaptive cleaning are top priorities, Roborock's Starsight 2.0 offers a slight edge in navigation accuracy. Cleaning performance is a crucial aspect of any robotic vacuum, and here's where these two models showcase their strengths. The Dreame X50 Ultra comes with a staggering 12,000 pascal suction power, making it one of the most powerful robotic vacuums on the market. It also features an advanced anti-tangle brush, ensuring fewer interruptions from hair and debris. The mop extend system enables deeper corner cleaning, improving its overall mopping efficiency. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 introduces the free-flow main brush, an evolution of Roborock's well-regarded Duo Divide system designed to optimize debris pickup. Roborock's strength lies in its AI-driven cleaning strategies and ability to remove obstacles with its OmniGrip arm. If pure suction power is your priority, the Dreame X50 Ultra takes the win. But if smart object removal and adaptive cleaning are more important to you, the Saros Z70 offers a compelling advantage. Smart features and app integration are where these two vacuums truly push the boundaries of home automation. The Dreame X50 Ultra integrates seamlessly with smart home ecosystems and offers highly customizable cleaning routines through its mobile app. The Roborock Saros Z70 takes things a step further with Matter 1.4 compatibility, allowing effortless integration with platforms like Apple Home and Google Home. Additionally, its SmartPlan 2.0 app includes features like automated deep cleaning for neglected areas and a Do Not Disturb mode to minimize noise at night. If smart home connectivity is a deciding factor, the Roborock Saros Z70's Matter integration makes it the better choice. Battery life and charging efficiency can make or break a robotic vacuum, especially for larger homes. The Dreame X50 Ultra supports ultra-fast 100 watts charging, significantly reducing downtime between cleaning cycles. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros Z70 uses intelligent power management, calculating the exact charge needed to finish a cleaning task rather than fully recharging each time. Additionally, its off-peak charging optimization helps conserve energy. Both vacuums are incredibly efficient in this regard, but if you need the fastest possible charging, Dreame's 100-watt system gives it a noticeable advantage. As for my final verdict, if you're looking for the absolute best in suction power, ultra-fast charging, and an advanced mopping system, the Dreame X50 Ultra is an outstanding choice for those who prioritize deep cleaning efficiency. However, if you want a vacuum that not only cleans but also interacts with its environment in a truly intelligent way, the Roborock Saros Z70 is the better option. Its robotic arm, Starsight 2.0 navigation, and Matter compatibility make it a future-proof investment for smart home enthusiasts. Either way, you're getting one of the most advanced robotic vacuums available today.